Amplify tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about Amplify. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So as you can see, I'm on their main website, amplifymusic.com. And once you're over here, all you have to do is just simply sign up. Now to sign up, all you have to do is click on my account over here. And here, if you don't have an account, simply click on new to Amplify and click on create an account. Give it a couple of seconds, and here we go. So here we just simply go ahead and create an account, first name, our last name, email, password, and confirm password, country, region, and all of that. And then we can go ahead and create an account. So let's go ahead and fill this form out. And here we go. So over here, as you can see, great. Now enjoy Amplify Studio. We can now go ahead and click on Open Amplify Studio, and it will take you here where you need to download the Amplify Studio. So we just simply click on download. I agree. Download the application. And once it's downloaded, we just run the application and we install it. Give it a couple of seconds and boom, we just run the application now. That's going to open up in a second. And here we go. Okay, so here is how it looks like over here. You can see my microphone is running over here. What type of music do you want to make? So just select any type you want. Let's say we want to make soundtracks, right? And here you have a bunch of different options. So you have drums, bass, melodic, and over here you can add them over here. So you have different sections. These different sections combined is going to make a melody. So over here you can see my input. It's working over here. Let's see what we have. Okay, so we basically are, let me just do the 1 second. Okay, you will now hear it. So basically what happens is, if you want to play something, if you want to make music, what you do is you basically select the section, right? Let's say this is the section 1, right? If we click 1, this entire section starts playing, right? And then you play section 2. It'll take you over here. Once it's completed, you can add section number 3. And so forth and so forth. So this is how it basically is, right? So let me just stop that right there. So over down below, you can see you have this slip button. You can reset it right here. You can go ahead and move it forward, whatever you want to call it. Over here, you're going to have different channels, and here you're going to have different sounds. So let's say we want to add another channel. What is this missing? Let's say we click on add channel. It's going to open up this box right here where we can add more channels to them, but because we're not a member, we can't do that. But we do have an account, so we should be able to log in. If we click on the account and click on login option, we can log in with our account. So let me just go ahead and log in, and now we have our account. I believe, nope, we still need to purchase the plan in order to get the most out of Amplify. So you can see it's pretty cool. And over here you have these different sections, right? If you want to add a new section, you just simply click on add section right here. It's going to add section number 7. Now in section number 7, what it is that you want to add, we have drums right here. We have M, mute, and S stands for just, highlighting it. In section, if you want to add something, you just simply come over here onto the left hand side. You can find packs over here. You can find sounds over here, and each sound is going to have more sounds in them. So if we go with bass, you can see we have this type of bass, which is pretty cool. We can add the shade dirty. So you can add different bass in it as well. So we already have one of these basses installed, which is this one. If you want, you can go ahead and change it as well. And you can mess around with it to find a complete melody. So if we play it, this is how it, sounds pretty cool. As you can see, it sounds really good. But yeah, we can mess around with it however we want. And as I said before, if you want to add channels, just simply click on the button and you can add more channels to it. And each section will have their own melody. So if we click on these 3 dots, we can go ahead and remove a channel. So let's say we want to remove this channel. We remove that, and we can add only this amount of channels. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 channels. We can only add 8 channels, and each channel will have its own melody. So over here, let's say we have all these different soundtracks. We want to add more stuff to it. So let's go ahead and add it. Let's go to lo-fi and find something. So here we have this one. I don't feel like it would, blend in. So maybe we find something else, something better, something heavier than, what this is. If you want more, click on load more and it'll load more. But yeah, if you want more, you have to purchase the premium, but it depends on you. This is pretty cool. So now to add it, we just simply click and drag and drop it over here. So now if we play this section, it isn't quite what it is, but it is what it is. So very simple. This is how you do it. This is how you use Amplify Studio. Just simply drag and drop whatever you want over here and you should be good to go. We also have this one as well. So if we select drums from this one as well, so this is a proper one. This is basically, an open template. This is a full template. Click on open template. We don't save it. It'll bring that template over here and we can go ahead and start playing it. Currently, it's only this one's loaded. Other ones are loading. So, it is what it is. But yeah. And if you're wondering how much it costs to for the premium version, so if you click on get premium, we can see this is the cost. It's only cost us $8 per month, and there is a free trial for 30 days. So you can just simply go ahead and get the free trial for 30 days and you should be good to go, and you can cancel at any time after that. You won't be charged as well. So all right, so as you can see right here, this is one of the templates that you can use. There are a bunch of different templates. As you can see right here, there are free packs, as you can see. So you can go ahead and click on this arrow to view all of them, and then you have bonus packs as well, which you can see right here. Now if you want to get some other packs, like you can see over here, these are for paid users. You have to go ahead and get the free premium trial. You can go ahead and try that. It costs $7, but yeah, you can just simply select them and you are good to go. If you want to find specific, let's say, sounds or tracks or packs, then you have these over here on the left hand side. If you click on sounds, you can see you have all these different sounds, and in each genre you have different sounds. So over here, let's say we have dub. Let's go ahead and play the dub and see how that looks, how that sounds. It does sound pretty good, but yeah, we'll leave it at that. So you can see there's a bunch of different ones. Also, if you're wondering whether or not it's available on Mac, as you can see right here, it is available on Mac and Windows as well. So right now I'm on Windows, of course, but you can use it on Mac if you wanted to. It's also available, on iOS as a launchpad. As you can see, launchpad for iOS. So you can go ahead and do that, and a Groovebox for iOS as well. So as you can see, there's a lot of options for iOS users, but yeah, if you were wondering about that, over here. And also another cool thing that I wanted to show you is that you can also change some of these cells. So for example, if you wanted to change the name of this cell in particular, you just right click and you have the rename option right here. So you just simply click on right click on rename, and then you can change it to whatever name you want, and you should be good to go. You can also change different colors for these cells as well. So you can have individual colors to highlight which cell you want. And down below, you can see you have these splices, right? You have these different cells. If you click on splices, it'll open up right here, and then you can drag the splices here. So you can just simply go ahead and drag one of these things down, and you can go ahead and move around these sounds by simply clicking on the slip button, and you can move the sound along the splice section along the cells. So yeah, very simple. But yeah, this was a quick introduction to how you can use Amplify Studio. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.